everyone and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video we are going to the Miramar Beach, and today with me we have our beautiful assistant.
Hello everyone. As you know, my mom already said I'm going to help my mom vlog today.
Yes, so I'll be taking her on a bike ride, and most of the clips that you see today will be of Lenny's video. So are you excited to go?
Yeah.
So we'll be showing you the sunset at the Miramar Beach, and also giving you tourism updates. From morning it's been raining heavy, so we couldn't really go. Currently it is around 5:30 in the evening, so let's go and check that out. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also like the video if at all you find this content useful. So let's go.
Don't forget to click the notification bell too.
Yeah. So what are we waiting for?
What are we waiting for?
Okay, so this is the circle where if you take your left, it goes to Donapala, this side. And then from here, we take our right. Did you show the left lane?
Yeah.
So straight this way heads to the Miramar Beach. I think it's really late already. Plus it's been cloudy and raining since morning. So I hope the clarity of this video, would be good. Okay, so before Miramar, there's actually another beach called Karanzalan Beach, which is known as the localites beach. So most of the locals here prefer going to that beach. So one of these days I'll take you and I'll show you around what it looks like as well. So we normally go there because it's just 2 minutes from where we live. And you find a lot of kids. It's a kids-friendly beach. You have a lot of children who come to play football, and also a lot of elderly people come there for their evening walks and stuff like that. So on my right side here, this is Taj. So this is a new property, and it's very close to the Taj, to the Miramar Beach actually. So they've recently opened this hotel. I think it's just functional. It's been a week or 15 days. So on my left, this side, is the beach, the Miramar Beach that you would see. So we're almost here at the Miramar Beach. I think we're just 2 minutes away. So this is the entrance to the Miramar Beach. As you can see, there's so much of a crowd. So let's find some parking, shall we? Len, do you see any parking? Okay, I think we can park here. So this is the entrance, and there's so much of a tourist here. And of course you have the policemen randomly checking for the COVID negative certificate at the beach. So for all those of you who want to know what are the tourism norms that you have to follow, then I've made a video on that. Please do go ahead and watch that as well. Wow. The sky is literally orange. So beautiful here. And you have this nice sit out where you can just sit down and watch the sunset. And that side behind this is a kids park, which is currently under renovation, so it's not open to public as yet. You have people working out on the beach, and then the crowd here is quite less since it's getting dark, but I think this is the best time to come because otherwise it's quite crowded. It gets really crowded with, you know, lots and lots of tourists. Fortunate for us, since we just stay like 2 to 3 minutes away from this beach, it's very easily accessible. So let me go by the shore and I'll show you what it's like from there. Wow, this is so beautiful. Are you enjoying, Len?
Oh yeah.
So you have a lot of these tiny little shells on this seashore here. Wow, this sunset here is so gorgeous. Everyone's taking nice photographs. This beach normally is not so crowded when you compare it to the other famous and popular beaches in Goa, such as Kalangut and Baga. Comparatively, it's a lot nicer, calmer. Run. So in the distance, there's so many boats that I can see, and if you walk ahead a little on the other side, you can actually see the river Mandovi as well. And one thing that I really like about this beach is that this side there's lovely lush green pine trees, you know, if you come in the daytime. This is more of a family beach, you know, where you can come and just experience some of the best sunsets here. Wow, so let me take a walk and show you what it's like on the other side. There's this crowd up ahead, that side. But this is so gorgeous. This is so beautiful for your Instagram photographs. And as usual on all the beaches in Goa, you will have the police patrolling. Come, Len. You want to pick up some seashells? Yeah. Okay, come. You already have enough.
I know.
Wow, this is so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm so happy that we finally made it, Len.
Yeah.
We've been waiting from morning
Yeah.
to make this video. Come this way, Len.
That's true.
Yeah. Look at the dog. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed Lenny shooting this video for us. So give her a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this, and let her know in the comments section below. So until we meet again, bye for now.
Bye guys. See you next time.